Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Friends story if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you accidentally muted a friend or a group, okay, their stories will not appear at the top of your feed entirely. Now, maybe, again, you have to click the three dots right here and then muted them. So, for example, I'm going to mute this guy right here until I unmute it. I'm sorry. Now, once that's done, okay, to fix that, just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on settings and privacy, settings, wait for it, and then go ahead over to audience and visibility. Okay, scroll down, and then here just tap on stories. Okay, wait a bit, and then go ahead and find stories you muted. So go ahead and tap on view, and all you got to do is just unmute the friend or a page right here. Now, if that still won't work, close the app, close it, go ahead and find the app icon, tap and hold, tap on the information icon, and then just go ahead and tap on storage. Now, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general, iPhone storage, then Facebook. Now for Android, tap on clear cache, and then after that, tap on clear data, and the numbers right here will change. For iOS, just tap on offload app or offload data. Once that's done, close everything, reopen up Facebook, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if you are expecting a specific friend story but cannot see it, well, they may have changed their what? Privacy configurations. So Facebook allows users to set their story visibility to custom or hide story from, which allows them to block specific people from viewing their daily updates while remaining friends. Okay, so that is how you fix Facebook Friends story if it's not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.